problem with this, the perlite. As the perlite breaks down, it creates this powder. The powder becomes quite thick actually, and it cakes up around the intake. And I found that this actually has a way that you can bypass using a threaded pipe. It can bypass the sponge intake so that you can take the output or the input to something and make a filter. So I've used an ice cream container there. I'm going to fill it up with rocks and then cap it off with some of this stuff, put the lid back on, and then that'll give me a nice big surface area about that big that can collect the particles, and I can very easily take that off and just bang it out and put it back on. I'm thinking of changing media because this is going to present a bit of a problem. I'll show you a bit of the stuff that I've actually siphoned out and then let it dry. Hang on. Look at it, it's come up like a piece of fiberboard. So it's dense enough to block the pump up, and it's light enough to move around. Now watch, if I stir that, it becomes silty real fast. So bypassing the pump with a much larger thing will help a lot. I've also added a little tap here that I can turn it off, turn the flow off, and added these 4 drippers. Actually, I don't know if they're a spray or a dripper. I haven't turned them on yet, but also moved the double stacked arrangement to give me more space. So yeah, keep going.